Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen effect on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm going to click on camera, and here we need to find the green screen effect right here. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the green screen effect. But if the green screen is not here, you can go to the effect list right here and go to this menu, and you need to scroll down and find the green screen effect. Wait guys, okay, this is the green screen effect we can use. Tap on that, and as you can see that the green screen has been applied, and we can also change the background. You can click on change background right here, and then you can choose the background you want to apply to your video. You can also apply background from your gallery, but I'm just going to apply the background which has been available on Instagram. Okay, then you can take a photo or record a video with the green screen on your Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use green screen on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.